Hello everybody, welcome back. So the materials that you see laying in front of me are going to be used to build a tortilla press. A friend of ours wants to build her own tortilla press to give us a wedding present. So I'm going to build a couple tortilla presses, and then I'm going to be teaching a woodshop class on building tortilla presses that she will participate in, and then at the end of the class she'll have her very own tortilla press that she built to give as a wedding present. I'm not going to be basing this build off of one particular set of plans. Rather, I'm going to be basing it off of various photos that I've seen online and some basic measurements like measuring a store-bought tortilla. So please join me in this video of me building a tortilla press from scratch. This butcher block material is roughly 2 inches thick, so I'm going to use my circular saw to cut it so I can square this end up. Right here I'm just simply measuring out the size that I want the tortilla press to be. Here I am just using an actual tortilla just to verify. Looks like it's going to work just fine. Right here I'm cutting out the pieces that will be the main part of the tortilla press. Just finishing up the cuts with the Japanese style hand saw. So I'm going to round the top and bottom edges of both of these pieces that I cut, and I'm going to be using a router to do so, and the bit that I have in the router is a rounding bit, and you go counterclockwise when you're going on the outside of stuff. This is a door mortising kit. It is used to guide your router when routing out hinge points on a door. Right here I'm just laying out the handle. I used a piece of scrap walnut that I had. I figured it would be pretty strong. Walnut usually is. Right here I am just getting a rough idea of the necessary height. For this block I am using a scrap piece of honey locust. I decided to make the block that the handle attaches to be all one piece. Alrighty, got it all built and put some mineral oil on it, so it's all sealed. Now it's just time to try it out. Alrighty, so I am going to put some parchment paper down. And I just mixed flour and water up, so I don't even know if this is actually all the ingredients that go into a tortilla. So we'll see how it works. Alright, hopefully it worked. Let's see the big reveal. Oh yeah. Well, I don't think I got the consistency right, but anyway, you get the picture. I think it's going to work out just perfecto. Alright, thanks for watching.